Hey, my people, the truth is finally out. Everybody dey on a run. Oh, everybody for inside Mohbad matter is a suspect. Still on justice for Mohbad, my people. Woo to Oba Elegushi. Oba Elegushi, shame on you, oh, shame on you. This very video don come review everything wey we dey find for Sokoto. E don come under our Sokoto like this, oh, my people. Make una watch this video from beginning to the end, oh, make una hear how Oba Elegushi wan even corner Liam to himself. What a man can do, my people. Human being dey this life, oh, things dey happen for inside life. If you no know, you no go ever fit know. You go dey like this, dey waka, you no go know, talk say wetin dey find you plenty, my people. Olori Shekinat, na wa for you, oh. Una wan do Mohbad the same thing wey una do Oba Elegushi second wife, my people. Una know say Oba Elegushi second wife na so dem do her. Una go hear everything for inside this video. Make una make sure say una no skip any part of this video so that una go fit understand. Make una come my comment section, come tell me wetin una think about the whole matters. Shey una believe say na the end of the road for Oba Elegushi be this one, abi e still get second chance or another person hand still dey inside this matter? But wait, nothing we dey find to hear again. This is just the final truth wey we need to hear. Justice for Mohbad, justice for Imole. Una see this very justice, we don get am finish by the special grace of God. May God no ever allow us jam with this kind of human being for life, because Oba Elegushi, e no work at all. And like this, e don cast last nowhere to hide for you. Make una watch, my people, and make una no forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell so as to be notified each time I drop videos like this. Make una watch.
Now well done. Another day. It's about almost about 12 a.m. on my side here. I'm about to go to bed, but I just have to make this video real quick. See, justice for Mohbad. See, this Oba Elegushi, this man, if I talk some things, I will be like say person they disrespect Oba, but the Oba himself never even get respect for himself. First of all, I don't even know if I begin to think all these things. With all the women that were there everywhere, were full everywhere, that he can get just at the, the snap of a finger. Now Mohbad's girlfriend or Mohbad's wife, in fact, forget say Mohbad a musician, a carpenter's wife. Now you stoop low, go they look for. No be say you only look for him, you dey drag am with him. No be say they drag am with him, you dey beat am join am. No be say they beat am join am, he promise say he go kpai am. And at the end of the day, this man lost his life. With all the women were full everywhere. And you say be Oba. And with all this gragra where this man they do so. The recent gist be say this man they fear in wife like say tomorrow no day. Say they fear in wife like tomorrow no day. That is why anyway, I won't play this voice mail, look I just hear. Then we'll take it from there. People know the well, where know the Oba well, where know the wife very well. Now them talk this one. But can I listen?
Please go and make findings and ask who Sekinet is Oba Elegushis first wife. Who bigger? Ask people that knows Oba and Sekinat very well. In Koton Fioju second wife rí. She be second wife yẹn ọkùnrin ló bí tó kú. Ṣé ti bí tẹ Oba Elegushi ti front second wife yẹn. So Oba Elegushi ń bẹ̀rù Sekini kan bí baba ńlá ìyálàkú yàrá ìyá ẹ̀dá kó jáde sẹ́ẹ̀. Ipe òun lòun ni Liam, òun náà ni Wummi ò fi lè ṣe DNA. Sekinat ti ń gbọ́ gbogbo nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀. Did you get it? Ṣé tó bá ń kọ́ Liam? Ọba mo fi wá, ó ti máa claim ẹ̀ bọ́n torí ó jẹ́ ọkùnrin yẹn ní pro gbogbo nǹkan tá à ń fèsì tó sì fi ń ṣẹlẹ̀. So ọba ò lè jáde.
Àdúró kí ló kọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ pẹ̀lú gbogbo yẹn? Yóò bàbá jáde kó lọ drop ọmọ sẹ́nu ọ̀nà. Àfẹ́ Wùmí inú palace. Wùmí kọ́ lè pa ọba kó lọ drop ọmọ sẹ́nu ọ̀nà.
On I hear the lady say the Oba, they flaunt his wife, where the name is Sekina or whatever the name is. We say the Oba no get he no fit. Say he no fit, he say he no even fit. Say that is why the DNA they had him to do, because he no even fit tell the wife for house say he get picking for outside. Say he no fit. Say if he try him. Say in short, you no even fit. For those who understand Yoruba, where that as that lady explained it is so. Now somebody now they tell us they talk say they don't even want the pikin for palace. Make Wummi go drop that pikin for the palace door or palace gate. Make go drop Liam for there. And I can imagine how they ridicule this boy's life. Innocent boy. Innocent Liam, but they ridicule his life like this. May they go drop him for Oba gate. Now Oba cannot be bold enough to tell his wife, say, he get pikin for her side. Because they say he no fit, he dare not. So with all this kati where the Oba they do, they go they chance people wife, they go chance people girlfriend, they go chance people, even for in house. For in house, you know even fit talk, you know get mouth. You know even get mouth. Now your wife they control am for house, you know get mouth. But you get the mind to go they beat other people. They collect their wives. They beat other people, they give other people their wife belly. Now you will get mind now to where your pre go raise, give somebody belly now. Why you no fit claim am? If you no get that confidence for house, say you know go fit carry pikin come house. Why you no wear protection? Why you no wear protection? Now so Wummi toast you rich, now so Wummi sweet you rich. This Oba fall everybody hand. Oba, you know you are a disgrace to Obas. You are a big disgrace to all Obas. I just know say they would if they hear your story now, for what you do so they would hide their face from you. I'm telling you, they would hide their face for you. Carpenter pikin, but go forget say Mohbad na musician he be. If what you go at least you go know say you go know where Mohbad from come. You go know where Mohbad from come. You go full and drag a pikin. You know wife. You know reach you. Now to simple go beat and you know reach you now to pay. Now arrange now pay this boy. And you dey your house. You say you be Oba. Now your wife they control you for house now. Guys, and I don't hear the Oba now, and I don't hear about the Oba. Meanwhile, anyway, the recent gist, we say some people now they try to not if I don't go here for this issue. Some people that they try to go steal Liam toothbrush. Since we know on submit them for DNA, so some people they try to go steal Liam brush now. May they take go do DNA. 9 people they do now. Say because 9 people they look for now. Say because Wummi not release Liam, so they go steal the toothbrush. May they go do the DNA by force. Now don't hear that. Guys. See, even okay, now Wummi will be that. This Darosha matter, I don't even know how to handle this matter. Darosha, not be supporting Darosha do Mohbad. When in they alive, when they buy him, and when he even don't buy. Would they talk of the what did they call it? The casket, the akpoti where they go buy, when him go pay for the 3,000 naira for the cheapest akpoti to take bury Mohbad. Now they talk, so even the cloth where they take bury Mohbad, say now the cheapest ever. According to Wummi's sister, Karumo, he said the time when they sell cloth, when in Delhi goes when they travel when they sell cloth, say that the yard of that cloth na 100 naira. Say that recently that yard of that cloth enter 500 naira. Say he even begged them. She was even angry. Say they will use that kind of cheap cloth. Take bury Mohbad. Who buy the cloth? Now Darosha. Inside 2 million naira. Inside 2 million when it dey hand. So all the work, all the pay where Mohbad they pay him, all the money when they siphon since for him, for Darosha to the siphon money in this kind of condition, in this kind of situation where somebody buy. And I go tell me what thing Darosha would not take Mohbad I see because they say I'm the manager. How you go don't siphon Mohbad rich before Mohbad finally buy so? And I go don't see and I go don't know. For somebody who will siphon somebody, they extort somebody, even extort dead body. Money. When I go know what thing this man go don't take Mohbad I see. See, all this is where they happen. Now, Mohbad mama, where no joint effort with Mohbad papa. Now, lead us. If this, all this case for don't end since, if we don't open, everybody for don't know who commit, who no commit. Since, all this one for don't pass. Now, they carry story, carry narrative go here, carry narrative go from here, go this, from here. They say, nurse by Mohbad. But Wummi did that house. Darosha did that house. Abdullah did that house. If na nurse na time Mohbad and then let nurse go, they no hold nurse. Even when Wummi no even support, no fit stand with nurse when they treat him husband. He can't no say, he can't talk say na nurse na time Mohbad and then they let the nurse go. Now human being be that? Now wife be that? Now uncle be that? Now brother you go call this person, these people. See he get this lie we go lie give somebody. He did too plain for everybody to understand. Somebody nurse come give your husband, come give your nephew, come give your brother. According to Adura and her brother, according to Darusha and her nephew Bitoram, according to Wummi and her husband. So on a three of an day there. And I say nurse give somebody injection. He buy him. On a leave him, he waka go. Who won't believe that kind of thing? Who? Even if a small people they will come for city, tell her that kind of thing, you go agree. When I leave all those things. When I leave all these things. Nobody today will hear all these kind of things. Now so they enter house, they say they don't see blood. Now Mohbad mama they ask me and say, me say that staying where they for that house now no be blood. They say they don't see blood. Anyway, we don't get into the talk much. But Oba, go claim your pikin. No fear that your wife. Go claim your pikin. Now your son be that.